Where you at? Get it. Pick it up. What you doing? Get your toys. No, get your toy on the floor. Hey, what's that? Down there. Go get it. Pick it up. Oh, now you don't want to. Pick up your toy. Oh, that's not a toy. It's a flashlight. Pick up your toy on the floor. Well, now you're going to slide. Uh-oh. Now you're going to pick it up, huh? Pick up your toy. Pick up your toys. Oh, you're sliding. Is that funny?